Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: ringing the handle of the faucet. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. A ringing handle on a faucet usually indicates a problem within the handle mechanism itself. Here are the two most common reasons and how to fix them. Mineral buildup. Over time, mineral deposits can build up inside the handle, causing friction and making it difficult to turn. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shut-off valves for both hot and cold water supply lines beneath your sink. Turn them clockwise until they stop completely. You can then test by turning on the faucet handle. No water flow signifies a successful shut-off. Disassemble the handle. Each faucet brand might have a slightly different mechanism for handle removal. Look for a small screw, usually Allen screw, hidden beneath a decorative cap on the handle or at its base. Remove the screw and carefully pull the handle away from the faucet body. Clean the parts. Soak the disassembled handle parts except for the screw in white vinegar for 30 minutes to loosen mineral deposits. You can use a toothbrush to scrub any stubborn residue. Rinse everything thoroughly with clean water and dry completely. Reassemble the handle. Apply plumber's grease to any moving parts. Before putting everything back together, tighten the screw securely but avoid over-tightening. Turn on the water supply. Slowly turn on the shut-off valves beneath the sink and check for any leaks around the handle. In conclusion, fixing a faucet handle that is ringing can be a simple process if you know what to look for. By following the steps outlined above, you can troubleshoot the issue and find a solution that will fix the problem and prevent it from happening again in the future. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on ringing the handle of the faucet. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.